In this video, we're going to look at how to gain access to the primaryKey variable when you're dealing with an Unbound UX component and you're saving data to SQL tables. So here we have a really simple UX component. This field is going to eventually contain the primary key from the first table save that we're going to do. In this UX component, we're actually going to do two table saves, two insert statements into two different tables. So this will hold the primary key of the insert from the first table, from our first insert. Then we've just got a PDF name, PDF location, and a button. And we could ignore that second button. It's hidden anyway. And we're not going to use it anyway. So on this button, we've got two actions. First table, second table. So let's have a look at the first table. So we're inserting into a TBL PDF. It's an auto increment. Primary key is document ID. These things don't matter, but JavaScript after insert success. So this is our JavaScript function, and the help on here tells us that the JavaScript function takes E as an input parameter, and the primary key of the record inserted is available in e.primaryKey. So we're creating a JavaScript function, and we're passing in E. We've got some data binding going here, just PDF location and name. So those will get saved off, and nothing else matters too much here. And so let's pop over and have a look at our JavaScript function. New.page. So new page, sorry. So we've got a dialog set value. We're going to set the value of our new PDF to primary key text control with the variable e.primaryKey. It's going to be passed back from our table save. Now we can do this second table insert a couple of different ways. We can either do it directly here, or if you really want to make sure that everything's done and finalized in the first table save, you could actually do it here. You could probably do some error checking here as well if you wanted to. You could check to make sure that you do have a primary key coming back, and then you could run this, which is run action, which you can gain access here, and you just set up an action. You can add a new action, and then when you edit the action, it's exactly the same as what's on the on-click event of the button. So a couple of different ways to do it, which is really nice. But we're not going to use that. We're just going to do two calls in the same, one after the other. And so we're grabbing our primary key, we're putting it into our control here, and then if we go back to our button, we're going to do a second insert into another table, TBL new PDF table, document ID. It's auto increment as well, but you can see here that we've now taken our control new PDF to primary key, and we're assigning it to a field name in the new table, along with PDF name and location. Now, the only problem I ran into was, what if you're dealing with a table that did not have its primary key as auto increment? So I ran into some trouble with there that I haven't figured out yet. So let's kind of assume that you're doing an auto increment here. If you're not, we can have another look at that. So let's go and run this. So I'm not going to fill anything in there. I'm just going to put something in here. PDF location, 999 location. I'm going to click this button, and what we'll see is a key value pop in there. And if we take a look at our tables, if I do a refresh on our tables, this is our second table. There's our 999, 999 location, and 29 was our primary key. And if we take a look at our first table, You can see that it was saved there as well, and there's the primary key. And I think that's about it. So thanks for watching.